Hey everyone, it's Haven at Slick Customs. What we have here is a 2007 Honda Shadow Sabre 1100 cc's with a little over 37,000 miles. The lady we bought this bike from, she lost the keys. She fell on the bike one time and never got back on it. We will start disassembly on this motorcycle in the next couple days. Everything will be available. Well, all parts will be available for individual purchase. As you can see, it's a really clean motorcycle. Sucks we don't have a key to get it started. But she assured me the engine is good, it runs. I believe her. It's a Honda. It's only got 37,000 miles on it. But if you guys got one of these on your in your garage or shed, and you're in need of parts to get your scoop back on the road, we have them. Get in touch with us. Gas tank doesn't have any dents. Paint still looks really good. Looks like we're gonna salvage just about this entire motorcycle with the exception of the left rear turn signal. Someone taped it up, it's broken. And of course the seat. The seat will need recovering. But